broadband.
Right, so the wires, this is a service tray. So this runs underground, and you see the room that we saw in the basement. So the wires run down to that. They run straight down to there.
So it's directly from JPS to here.
Right, JPS.
And then to the
yeah. So you have several panels around there. So you have a JPS panel, you have a building panel, and you have a generator panel.
And that's the exhaust?
Right, that's the exhaust system, right?
Where's the changeover?
Yeah, changeover switch is at the front.
What's the name of this?
These are usually flex and everything. So that the technology has been radiated, and the big radiator there, and the oil panel. Alright, ready guys?